Summer Burial, Woonsocket, Rhode Island, Inspector Denny. You can see we got rust on the grading. You can see all the rust there. We got here stringers are hooked to the grating, and you can see original square bolts here. Needs to be replaced. The same on the treads, square bolts here. And we got here these railings. It's only single pipe railings here, and it seems like it's too long. You can see from there better on the single pipe. And the same here. You got square bolts there. There's welded connections here. It needs to be X-ray. Same here. You can see all the rust eating the bolt. So that rust there on the connection. Almost half inch rust there. Same in the spaces. You can see the spaces. The grain. Start opening. The rust is right now. All the way. So this grain might need to replace. It's too much rust on the spaces. This railing here is not attached to the wall, so it needs to bolt it to the wall. And this, they got this antenna here tied to a fire escape. And you can see that space there. It's only a flat bar in the middle. There's a big space, and that rail is there, it's opening too. So somebody can fall down. Yeah, you can see this ladder here. So you rust on it, can weld the connections here. The whole fire escape needs 100% paint. And you can see welded brackets there, braces, and the fire escape is true bolted. You can see the true bolted there. Welded connection, you can see the rust eating the wall there. So it needs to X-ray the connections. You go down here, the same at the bottom. You got welded connection here on the braces. And it's true bolted here. You can see all the rust under too. It needs to be painted.